अन्वेषा के क्लियर है? आयुष कुछ ब्लू टाइप का दिख रहा है। सृजा एक बार पूरी तरह से सारा दिखा दो। वेरी गुड। नॉर्थ अमेरिका साउथ अमेरिका सारा दिख रहा है। अपने ग्रीन 2500 to 200 सेंटीमीटर जो कि है सो भी दिख रहा है। आदित्य दोबारा से दिखाओ। हर कोई अपना एक एक बार पूरे मैप को दिखाओ। चलो आदित्य दिखाओ। आयुष पूरे बने हुए मैप को दिखाइए। अन्वेषा के एकदम क्लियर है। तनिष्का एक बार ऑन करके दिखा दो ठीक से पूरा बना हुआ मैप। कृतिर एक बार दिखाओ। हर बच्चा सौम्या एक बार दिखाओ पूरी तरह से। आज तुम लोगों ने किया रेनफॉल प्लेसेस रिसीव्स हेवी रेनफॉल मीन्स above 200 सेंटीमीटर in North America, then South America. Yes, आदित्य के दिख रहे हैं, अंशिका के दिख रहे हैं, सृजा के दिख गए। फिर साउथ अमेरिका में किए हेवी रेनफॉल, फिर इंडिया में किए, एशिया में किए, देन आपने दो डेजर्ट दिखाया प्लेस रिसीव लो रेनफॉल बिलो 25 इन अफ्रीका एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया। आपने कालाहारी डेजर्ट दिखाया, सहारा दिखाया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में दिखाया। फिर आपने डैम दिखाए, मॉडरेट रेनफॉल एरियाज भी आपने दिखाए 100 to 200। देन आपने लो रेनफॉल एरियाज भी बनाए 25 to 100। अच्छा, किसी को इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम? कृतिर को बोल रही थी एक बार और दिखा देने, सौम्या को बोल रही थी एक बार और दिखा देने। इट इज विजिबल। अन्वेषा, सृजा, आदित्य, आयुष पूरा बना हुआ को एक बार दिखाओ। पूरे बने हुए को एक बार दिखाओ। अच्छा, now you tell me the what do you mean by multi-purpose river valley project and why the name is given multi-purpose river valley?
Under a multi-purpose river valley, a dam or a series of dams is built across a river. It is named multi-purpose river valley because it serves multiple purposes at the same time. The stored water is used for irrigation, navigation, generating hydroelectricity, etc. Some of the multi-purpose river valley dams are in Egypt, as Aswan River Valley in USA, Damodar River Valley in uh, Jharkhand, in Jharkhand, India, and uh, Hirakud Dam in Orissa, India.
Next, सौम्या बोलो। सौम्या,
Under a multi-purpose river valley project, a dam or a series of dams is constructed along the river for storing water. A multi-purpose river valley project serves multiple purposes at the same time as the stored water is used for several purposes such as irrigation, generating hydroelectricity, afforestation, flood control, navigation, etc. Some examples are Damodar River Valley Project and Hirakund Dam in India, Ashwan in Egypt, and Hoover Valley Project in USA.
Okay. And
Under a
हाँ बोलो.
Under a multi-purpose valley project, dam or series of dams are constructed across the river for storing water. This stored water is used for several purposes such as irrigation, generating hydroelectricity, afforestation, navigation, etc. That is why they are known as multi-purpose river valley projects. Examples of multi-purpose river valley projects are Damodar River Valley Project in India and Hirakund Dam in India, Ashwan in Egypt, and Hoover Valley Project in USA.
Okay. और कोई बोलना चाहते हो या क्वेश्चन चेंज करूं?
Ma'am, under a multi-purpose river valley project, dams or series of dams are constructed across the river for storing water. For example, Damodar River Valley Project and Hirakud Dam in India. Stored water is used for several purposes such as irrigation, generating hydroelectricity, afforestation, flood control, navigation, etc.
Okay. Or which diseases are caused by polluted water for drink?
Cholera,
Cholera, jaundice,
cholera, typhoid.
Right. अच्छा सुनो, कल मैं एक क्लास लूंगी जिसमें कि बहुत सारे मल्टीपल चॉइसेस भी रहेंगे, कुछ न्यू टाइप के क्वेश्चंस भी रहेंगे, वही फर्स्ट और सेकंड चैप्टर से, और उसके बाद जो रिवीजन होंगे पता नहीं स्कूल क्या होने वाला है, खुलना है नहीं खुलना पता नहीं, जो भी हो, तो उस समय मैं रिटर्न अप करवाऊंगी, आप कैमरा ऑन करके लिखोगे लिमिटेड टाइम में. ओके मैं बोली थी कि रिटर्न वर्क हम लोग ऑनलाइन भी करेंगे, जब खुलेगा स्कूल तब तो हम लोग करेंगे ही, फिलहाल हम लोग रिटर्न वर्क लिमिटेड पीरियड में करेंगे और क्वेश्चन बैंक से सारा क्वेश्चन करवाऊंगी, मैं बोली थी. तो 2 दिन और टाइम है आपको, उसके लिए आप प्रिपेयर हो जाना. चलो नेक्स्ट बोलो आप. एक बार ग्लेशियर को डिफाइन करो तो. Glacier.
a mass of ice moving in water.
like a river.
Moving
mass of ice like a river.
like a
mass of ice water.
mass of ice ठीक है. water table.
Ma'am, a level below which the ground is completely saturated.
Yes, saturated with water. Or drip irrigation.
The method in which water is dropped in small quantity near the roots of plants.
Small quantities on the roots of the plants.
Good. Very good. Or ecosystem.
A unit of life in which all the biotic components have interdependency or interrelationship with the abiotic components of the environment.
वेरी गुड. और कोई इकोसिस्टम को और बोलेगा? 7th में भी इकोसिस्टम था एक चैप्टर में शुरुआत में ही.
An ecosystem is a natural unit which consists of living organisms such as plants, animals, and microorganisms, and non-living and abiotic factors which interact with each other.
Means
community of interacting organism and the physical environment.
This relationship of biological elements of the environment on their physical environment. अच्छा, ये criticism of River Valley project.
The dams are very useful for various purposes, but large dams have come under a lot of criticism from environmentalists as they are causing ecological problems like extensive forests submerged underwater, river water gets diverted, aquatic life gets affected, result in soil erosion, population gets displaced, and during excessive rain, floods are caused.
The large dams are very useful for various purposes. But large dams are under a lot of criticism, environmentalists, as they are causing ecological problem, etc. Expensive forests emerged, river water get diverted, population gets displaced, aquatic life gets affected, results in soil erosion during excessive rainfall, floods caused.
ठीक. Water is one of the most precious resource. Water is one of the most precious resource. How you prove this statement is true? Give reasons or explain it.
Water is the most precious resource. It is indispensable from our life as we depend on water for living. It helps in, it serves as a medium for all the metabolic activities which take place inside our body. Also, water is used for generating hydroelectricity, for navigation, for flood control, and for the growth of plants. If water weren't there, then life would not be possible on Earth.
कोई और बोलेगा?
Water is the most precious resource on the earth. Most of the activities of living organisms are dependent on water, such as aquatic life is dependent on water. We use water for our survival, and water is also used for generating hydroelectricity, navigation, irrigation, etc. Also, the water on the earth is very limited, and most of the water on the earth can't be used by us. So the water is the most precious resource on the earth.
Okay. How animals are responsible for the soil erosion and how you can conserve it?
Animals are responsible for soil erosion as they graze over fields, and overgrazing leads to soil erosion. We can conserve soil from animals by checking overgrazing by animals, and also not allowing them to roam freely here and there.
Do you think that you should prevent them to graze because they also give us milk, and from that milk we earn a lot, and our health is also improved. So is it right to prevent them from